In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to your Shopify app. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head to the Apps section. You'll see an option to add new apps. Look for the Add button and click it. This takes you to a prompt where you can browse for apps. Choose the Shopify App Store to open the full catalog. In the App Store search bar, type JS Liquid Code. You're looking for the app titled F HTML CSS JS Liquid Code. Open the app's page to learn what it does. It provides a straightforward interface for injecting custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into your store without diving directly into theme files. This is particularly helpful if you want to experiment safely, organize code snippets, or give non-developers a clean way to manage customizations. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show a permissions screen explaining what the app can access. Take a moment to review this for clarity and compliance with your store's policies. Then confirm by clicking Install again. After the installation completes, open the app inside your Shopify admin. You'll be presented with an option to enable it. Go ahead and click Enable. Enabling ensures the app has permission to load its custom code in your storefront where appropriate. At this point, you're set up to use the app for your custom code needs. A few tips will help you get the most from it. Keep your code organized by separating HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into clear sections or labeled snippets. Use comments at the top of each snippet to describe what it does and where it should apply. If the app supports page targeting, use it to load code only where it's needed. For example, only on product pages for product-specific enhancements. This keeps your store fast and reduces the chance of conflicts. Before publishing changes, preview your theme to verify that styles look right and scripts run without errors. If you're adding JavaScript that interacts with elements on the page, make sure your selectors are specific and wait for the DOM to load if necessary. For CSS, test across desktop and mobile views so nothing breaks on smaller screens. And as a best practice, keep a backup of any important code so you can revert quickly if needed. That's it. Log in, add the app from the Shopify App Store, install, confirm, and enable. With those steps done, you're ready to safely add custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to your Shopify store using a clean, manageable workflow.